Fabspeed C8 Supersport exhaust is the ultimate catback for any C8 Corvette. The full 3-in-1 system will give your Chevy V8 LT2 a commanding rumble at idle and at cruising speeds. The X-Pipe design gives the LT2 motor a distinct exotic growl that will cause any sidewalk nomads to double take as you mat the throttle. The exhaust is made from 3-inch T304L stainless steel tubing mandrel bent at Fabspeed Motorsports USA. It saves 38 pounds off the rear of the vehicle. It includes heat shielding made from amorphous silica fiber wrapped with 321 stainless steel, and you get your choice of carbon fiber, polished stainless, or satin black steel tips. And you know how we do, so we went with the carbon fiber tips. The monster stock system is out, and now we're ready to put this lightweight Fabspeed exhaust back in the car and hear how she sounds. Fabspeed knocked it out of the park with this thing. This thing sounds insane, so much better than stock, louder, crisper, cleaner. It just makes this car come to life. And don't forget, you guys can win this thing. Go to speedsociety.com, grab some of your favorite gear, and stack those entries. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.